Hey everybody, Mrs.Strauss here from Bethel Elementary School. In today's lesson, we are going to do two things. We are going to get up and move a little bit to the beat of a song, and then I am going to read a book from the Nut Family series. So first, we're going to talk about the beat, and the definition of beat is the pulse, right? So the pulse is a word that we hear a lot of times when we go to the doctor. You might hear the pulse in your neck or in your wrist, and your pulse is your heartbeat, how fast or slow your heart is beating, right? So we are going to try to keep a steady beat with our body while we listen to the Batman theme. At Bethel Elementary, our theme was superheroes this year, so I thought it'd be fun to use the Batman theme. So this is the mirror game. You do what I do to the Batman theme. To the beat. Pat your shoulders. How about head and belly? Can you switch? How about this? Can you march? March. Let's see, what else can we do? Pat our legs, arms. How about freestyle? What you doing out there? Play the sax. Hey everybody, I'm on my couch now after we moved around a little bit, and I have my Nut Family book here. It's called The Nuts Keep Rolling by Eric Litwin. This is the second Nut Family book I've read. The other one was Polka Dot Pants. In this book, the nuts want to grow up, and so they're going to sing a song. It's called Keep Rolling, and it goes, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Can you do that with me? Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. You can also do this if you want. Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. And in another section of the book, I want you to listen for when I say, oh yeah. You can do, oh yeah. And then the other thing I will say, or the book repeats, oh no, oh no. Okay? So can you do that with me while we read? You keep your listening ears on. Hazel and Wally were really small. They wanted to be big and tall. So they rolled through sticky mud and goo. The more they rolled, the bigger they grew. And they sang this song. Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Oh yeah. They grew bigger and bigger and bigger. Now they were the size of cats. Hazel and Wally were smiling until a pack of dogs came over the hill. Oh no! What can they do? Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Oh yeah. They grew bigger and bigger and bigger. Now they were the size of big dogs. Hazel and Wally were giggling until, I wonder what's gonna happen. Oh. The dog catcher came over the hill. Oh no! What can they do? Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Oh yeah. They grew bigger and bigger and bigger. Now they were the size of, what do you think might be something bigger? Maybe a horse? Maybe a cow? Let's see. Elephants! Hazel and Molly were laughing until... Oh my goodness, I don't know what's going to happen. They're elephants. That's pretty big. Elephants are bigger than horses, right? The zookeeper came over the hill. Oh no! What can they do? Keep rolling. Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Oh no! It started to rain. The sky turned gray. The mud and the goo were all washed away. What do you think happened when all the mud washed away? They became smaller and smaller and smaller. Now they were little and out there alone, but Hazel and Wally knew how to get home. What did they do? Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Oh yeah. They rolled to their house. It was cozy and bright. Mama and Papa Nut hugged them so tight. And that family was happy, even though they were small, because when you have each other, then you have it all. The end. What'd you think? So I really hope you enjoyed the book, and I'll see you next time.